crank no longer works. So you got to remove the cover. Then this piece here, all you do is you get a little screwdriver and you get it underneath the bottom like this. You pop it up. So once it's popped up, you see that little bit of give there? You're just gonna reach in here like this, pull that bad boy on out. Now all you gotta do is knock that screw out right there, take that out, that screw, push this down, that's all that is a push down. That's a push down, and replace this unit, put it back in. That's how you change a vinyl crank window operator. Just pull this down and the window is released. Pop this out. Crankcase. And this is what I'm taking to the store to replace. Okay, I am back from the store and I just picked up the new operator. And if you notice, that is the old handle. I'm gonna put it back on and show you what it looks like after it's all done. I'm gonna slide, I just slid this arm back on here, and then we push this forward. That's the locking system. I haven't drilled it in there yet. Put the locking system on there. Cool. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my unit back together. 3 screws, don't have to change anything. Okay, just finished up putting up the final screws. Now I'm gonna put the molding back on. You know, I guess I could have cleaned that out. Okay, I got the fascia back on. I'm going to snap it in place. I put the handle on. Remember, the key is this little screw. Let's see if I can get it right there. That's what holds the handle in place. I went like 5 years without fixing this. All right, let's give it a test. See if it works. Wow. 5 years. I haven't been able to use this thing in 5 years. Okay, screen is in there. And here we go. Test ride. Wow.